let's enjoy a short and simple English story. One quiet morning, Sam woke up to a beautiful sound. He opened his window slowly and looked outside. On a small tree branch, a little bird was singing happily. Its sweet melody filled the cool morning air. Sam smiled softly as he listened. The next morning, the bird came back again. So Sam left some seeds near the window for the little bird. Day after day, the bird returned every morning. It sang cheerful songs while Sam sat quietly and listened. Those simple mornings became the happiest part of his day. And every time the bird sang, Sam's heart felt warm and peaceful. Sometimes the smallest moments in life can bring the greatest happiness. And that was today's little story.